Somewhere far beyond the veil of our understanding, there might be a place where the seconds don't tick, where clocks don't move, where time simply doesn't exist. Imagine waking up in a world where yesterday and tomorrow have no meaning, where the past isn't behind you and the future hasn't even heard of you. Sounds like a sci-fi novel, right? But what if I told you this place might be real, and it's not light years away in some distant galaxy? It could be inside the very thing we fear, like a black hole. Let's start here. What is time? Most of us think of it as a constant, a reliable river flowing in one direction, dragging us along. But according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is stretchy. It can slow down, speed up, even pause depending on gravity and speed. Near something massive, like a black hole, time behaves like a shy kid at a party. Hesitant, weird, unpredictable. So, technically, if you ever feel like time's dragging in math class, it's not you. You might just be near a miniature black hole, or your teacher is secretly one. But there's one place where the idea of time begins to unravel completely. Not slow, not fast, just gone. Black holes, the universe's most misunderstood monsters. They're not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're warpers of space and destroyers of time. When an object crosses the event horizon, the invisible boundary of a black hole, it enters a region where not even light can escape. But here's the weird part. To an outside observer, time seems to stop for the object falling in. It literally freezes at the edge. But for the object itself, it continues falling. But toward what? At the center lies what scientists call a singularity. A point of infinite density where the known laws of physics break down, space collapses into nothing. And time? It might not exist at all. If time doesn't exist there, could you technically live forever? For a moment? Here, past and future lose meaning. The timeline isn't a line, it's a crushed scribble. And the worst part? We can't observe it. No signals escape. It's the ultimate no trespassing zone of the cosmos. So what do we do with this mind-bending truth? If there are regions in the universe where time stops, or never existed to begin with, what does that say about our reality? Is time truly a fundamental property of the universe? Or just a construct we created to make sense of motion? Some physicists believe time is an emergent illusion, that the deeper we look into reality, the more it behaves like a timeless equation. One big cosmic now. If time is an illusion, what does that say about life? About memory? About death? Could we one day access timeless states? Could consciousness escape the clock? And here's the haunting part. Some quantum gravity theories suggest our entire universe may have emerged from a timeless state, meaning we came from a place where time did not exist. And maybe we'll return to it. The place where time might not exist isn't just an astrophysical mystery. It's a mirror into the nature of everything. And perhaps the deeper question isn't whether time exists out there, but whether we ever understood it in the first place. If that thought bent your brain a little, hit like, share this with your fellow stargazers, and subscribe to join us in exploring more of the universe's greatest unknowns.